Alright, so this is the project I'm going to be working on today, and we'll see how it turns out, but I think my dad and I want to go ahead and try to sell these. So my dad made this to put succulents in, so I want to take you through the process. So first, I'm going to take the backboard out that he put. Just like that. There's the whole board. Set this down here. And now I'm gonna fill this with this moss that I bought from Home Depot. I'm gonna pull it all out. It's gonna make a mess, but it's okay. Okay, I'm basically gonna put this like that. So I have that. I'm trying to find my other bag. What did I do with you? I have another bag here. So I'm just filling this in. I think that's good. Show you what it looks like. There it is. I'm just pushing stuff around. Okay, and then I'm gonna start working on it. All right, so here we go. And my big plants first. just kind of going for it. I don't know if I have anything specifically in mind. This is the first time I'm making something like this. So it's fun just taking a lot of stuff I had as cuttings and throwing them in here now that they're rooted. And all these onions are just filling it in nicely. Some up here. So after I get all these in, I'm gonna leave it for a few days like this so they can kind of establish. Maybe a week or so, 2 weeks. And then at that point, the roots will be able to get established and I won't have to worry about them like falling out and stuff like that. So I'm just using plants that I had. It's nice to clear this out too because there was an imbricata in there that kind of got sad. So I'll be able to save this one just by pulling it out of there and putting it somewhere else to get more light so it stops stretching. Let me go put it this way. I'm gonna put it. So my dad enjoys making things with wood. He just enjoys working outside like I do. That's where I got it from. So a few weekends ago, he mentioned it to me because we had seen this at one of the nurseries. And he reminded me of it. And I told him, yeah, let's do it. So I went over to his house and we started this and then he finished it. He's like, yeah. He's like, let's see if we could sell them, you know? And I'm like, hey. It's something we both enjoy. I enjoy gardening and he enjoys building things. So I figured it'd be a nice project to do together. So we will see if anybody would like to buy them from us. I think if we ever did sell them, it would have to be smaller boxes. So if we want to ship them, we could in the US. This is just a want to try to see how it comes out. So you guys have to let me know what you think. Should I break up this? Yeah, let me break up this little green patch here. That. I think it's looking lovely right now. I'll have to find some more plants to put in it. So yes, I hope you guys are enjoying your week. I'm so happy to be outside. It's such a nice, cool evening. Trying to get outside before my semester gets super busy. It's gonna pick up really soon. So I'm excited to be outside right now. Okay, so let me go find, so I used all those, look at all those dead leaves. So I'm gonna go find some more. Alright, I got some more. I got some of these baby aeoniums from my large aeonium that I showed in one of the last videos. So I'm just gonna add some of these in. Found this ghosty that has some sad leaves, so I'm gonna take them off. And then I found this beauty. I'll stick her in here. That. Okay, this one stick in here. This beauty, put in here too. I feel like I should put it here with this one. And some color there. I just have these aeoniums. That's a super long stem. I'm gonna have to cut it. Filler. Cut some of my kiwis. This little one. Trying to fill in the little holes. This beauty, aeonium kiwi. With these. Okay, and then I have a couple of jade, elephant jade. Here. Down look at it and then I will show you from another angle.